If you're depressed, you are living in the past. If you are anxious, you are living in the future. But if you are at peace, then you are living in the present. These lines of eternal wisdom by Lao Tzu highlights the importance of living in the present moment. I am Dr. Ravichandra Karkal. I am an associate professor of psychiatry, and today we will discuss about the power of the present. In the busy rat race of our lives, our minds are always either rushing into the future or caught up in the past. When we are at home, we are worried about the pending work in the office, and when we are in the office, we are bothered about how we are not spending enough quality time with our family. The present coronavirus crisis has, in a way, pressed the pause button on the ever speeding lives that we are living right now. This lockdown has given us an opportunity to relook at how we live our lives. The present can be a refuge for the restless mind, but we have to surrender ourselves fully to the present. We have to surrender our senses and attention. It can be a simple act of paying attention to whatever is around you. Just look at all the colors, textures, and patterns around you, or hear the sound of the chirping of birds, the clanking of vessels in the kitchen, or the babble of your kid, or smell the coffee on your table and taste the flavors that it has left in your mouth. You can also feel the cool breeze touching your face, blowing from the window. Paying attention to the present moment through our senses can help us to calm down. No matter how difficult our circumstances, the present moment is something which is in our control. Imagine a baby which is looking at a flower or a bird for the first time, or it is seeing a new toy. It has awe and curiosity in its eyes. Can we live each moment with such kind of awe and curiosity? Then we can definitely live every moment to its fullest extent. Because as the baby, we also can leave aside the baggage of preconceived notions, assumptions, and prejudices that we may have accumulated over our lifetime. Dear friends, past is a prison which chains you. Future is an illusion, a mirage which makes you wander mindlessly. But the present is the elixir of life. Hope you get a taste of it. Thank you.